Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can fix your iPhone yellow screen. Now, this can be due to your iPhone's display getting old and it's time to replace it maybe, or you might have damaged your iPhone's display. Now, it can get fixed, but before that, if you are new to our channel, just head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now, let's start. So the only thing that you can do is, if you're on your yellow screen, you can just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, you'll have to first press and quickly release the volume up button and press and quickly release the volume down button. After doing that, press and hold the side button. And when the Apple logo appears, just leave it and your phone will get restart. Now, after doing that, if you still have the yellow screen, that means that you must change your iPhone's display. So just change it. It might cost, I don't know, a few $100, but just change it and you won't have the problem anymore. So yeah, that is basically it guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button down below.